Okay, so let's do our midweek review and also map the charts together. So you can see clearly here that we had let's start from the 4 hour. So on the 4 hour here, you can see we've had, buys all through for quite a while now, coming from, CPI and then coming into, the new week price did push to the upside, but then yesterday we're able to get, relief price started selling off. So we're expecting more sell off, to probably around this areas, right? However, you can see the price is already approaching the equilibrium of the range, the PD range, premium discount tool. So we're expecting anyways the price would get around here. So let's see how all of that works out. So our bias predominantly is sell. There is no buy, bias here. So essentially that's what we're looking at. So let's see London forecast. So London forecast, this 22nd, right? So the market is selling off. Has a pullback, it's already in motion. So look to the 15 minutes for structure, to trade, to go short. Okay, so simple forecast, nothing much here. So let's just put this. So 4 hour swing. So cool. So we have that. So this is what the last high I was taking out. This 4 hour swing. So we expect the pullback. Price is pulling back, selling off. So price may arrive here and then maybe continue upwards, or we may actually get a massive sell-off, all through the week. Tomorrow is Thursday, and then Friday we may get a massive sell-off all the way to this area. So hey, that's what we're looking at. No buys for now, just sells, right? So let's go 15 minutes. Or let me just capture this just a sec. Okay, so yeah, so put this here. So our daily forecast we have here 4R. Okay, what do we have here? So London session 22nd, right? So today's Wednesday 2023 EU and the London session. And what's our bias? Our bias is short. Okay, all right, so we have that. And then let's analyze our 15 minutes chart. So let's what we have on 15 minutes chart. So we got a 1 to 10 of course yesterday here. So we have all of that. Nothing much to, or I can just leave that there. So nothing much to say here. We've milked this already. Okay, so we've milked that rather. So we have that already. So the next thing now, let's analyze where we're at with respect to what price is doing here. So here you can see the price reacted to this area, right? So price reacted to that, and eventually that now has given us, this low has been taken out. Oh, not yet. It's still there. So but we can see that essentially price is trying to take out this low. So let's see what happens if this low gets taken out. Then we can anticipate a retest and then a sell-off. So we draw this. This is the highest candle. Now this is not a zone that should hold yet. We're not looking to sell off anything here first until price closes below this area. Then we can consider that, okay, if price returns to this area, then we can consider selling, to the downside, right? So this is essentially what we're looking at. So in terms of the medium time frame, right now, or intraday time frame, I would say, right? So this is essentially what we're looking at. I can see that. So let me just use another one. Okay, so the green is better. All right, so this are high, and then yeah, so this are low that we expect to be taken out, and then these are high price. We test this. So essentially what we're looking for too is something like this. Price closes, let's say below this area, and then we have that retest, and then we get that continuation setup, and then we go bam. So this is essentially what we're looking at to see if price is going to give us something like this. So if price gives us something like this, then we're going to be having, our short tool around here, protect our high depending on how much you want to milk from the setup, and then we can target, the low. that'll be formed for us. So with this type of setup, we may get this during New York session today, or we may get this during during London session if at all price tries to pull back, or we may get this during New York session. So whichever one plays out, you can see this is already closing below this 4 minutes, and let's see if this is going to close below this, and then if price retests these areas, then we can sort of anticipate that sell-off, and then we can milk this. So this is what we're looking at now. When you look at this, you see there's a lot of I would say areas, a lot of opportunity. So price has really just been buying off. You can see CPI price has been buying the entirety of last week. You can see that everything we had here was just last week price action from Monday or Wednesday rather. Monday down there, CPI came out on Tuesday, I think, and then Wednesday to Friday was all of this. So now coming into the new week, we had some setup here. The major setup, I took out the 1 to 10 that I took from this, and then yeah, so we're expecting. So for me, the bias is majorly sell, no buys. So just sell all the way. Tomorrow Thursday, next tomorrow Friday, today also Wednesday, sell. Okay, so hey, that's it. And I hope this is really beneficial to you. Let me just let's just take a few notes, right? Okay, so London session price is selling off as anticipated. Okay, so we are only interested in short positions this week, except something exceptional happens. Okay, so except something exceptional happens. So wait for structure. You can trade it with all you've got. I like saying this because that's just what it should be like. So hey, no rush. We're not chasing price. We'll wait for price to come to us, and then we trade what price gives us, right? So we're essentially just waiting. I think you can see my price is massively selling, and I love this because when this sells off, let's say this gets us to here. Why I like something like this? Let me show you something. So let's say this gets us to here, and then during New York session you get that kind of massive nice pullback, and then into this area, and then you get that chalk, and then retest, and then bam, sell it off. Massive room, right? So what we're expecting essentially is just for price to give us just push down a little bit. We're not chasing price, and then during New York session we get that hope, that pullback, and then we have that room to really just trade, with all we've got, external liquidity, block that, or internal, all of that. Anyways, this is not where I go through that. That's already covered in the course. So if you want to actually enjoy all of this, join the course. Take advantage of the 40% off that we have going on right now, and join the program. Black Friday 40%, and get 40% massive discount. You can pay US dollars, you can pay your local currency, whatever currency options we have right there. So take advantage of it, and I look forward to seeing you in the program if you choose to join. Hey, that is it. Bye bye and cheers. See you next time. Oh, sorry, I think there's something I missed here. Today's 22nd, 11/23. Yeah, so that is it. So hey, see you, and cheers. Bye bye.